What about this one? Pass or fail? Now you're looking at the gauge and you know what? You're the inspector. You're going, all right, it's just over 3. It's not even 1/10 over 3. What do you think? It could have been the temperature outside. If the plumber was trying to be ready for the inspection before I got there, could have pumped this up, and you know what? It was 50 degrees out, and then it went to 60. 10-degree temperature rise, and naturally the air in the piping is going to heat up a little bit and the gauge is going to rise, but it's not even a full 1/10. It's just under another whole 1/10. So yeah, we're going past. I'm going past because you know what? I know the person knew what was going on. They were close. So there you go. How long did the test hold for? It is not 15 minutes. It is 10 minutes. You need to be able to separate the two. 15 minutes when you're testing the drainage, waste, and vent system. 10 minutes when you're testing low pressure gas.